Hey, what's up guys? So in this video, we will see how to find and view quick share link sharing history on any Android phone. Now to do that, just open settings, then in the search bar, just search this. Now just select quick share. Now on this page, just tap on quick share. Now once you open the quick share settings, on this page, you will find the option of link sharing history. Just tap on it. And once you do that, you will find all the quick share link sharing history on your smartphone. And from here, you can view the files which you have shared. Now, if you want to delete the file which you have shared, just tap and hold on the file and select delete. And this is how you can find and view quick share link sharing history on any Android phone. Make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. Thank you for watching.